39. Then Jesus arose and rebuked the wind. Jesus rebuked the storm. The Greek word for rebuked is muzzled. The disciples should not have been fearful. Jesus had told them that they were going to the other side. He implied that they would arrive there.
The ship was in the middle of the sea when Jesus saved them from the violent demonic storm.
Thank you, Lord Jesus.
The men were stunned with bewildered wonder, and said, "What manner of man is this, that even the winds and the sea obey him?"
Henry Moore's Study Bible Note. This manner of man was God incarnate. He created the winds and the sea. So it was no wonder he could control them. Jesus stopped the storm. It was a miracle. Then the disciples worshipped him. "You really are the Son of God," they exclaimed.
When Jesus muzzled the demonic storm and caused it to cease, the fish praised their Creator. Let us join them in praise to Jesus. Praise and thank Jesus.
Jesus will make your storm go away too. Just ask him.